story of Lakeview is really cool, where it is reclaimed and it sat vacant for a really long time, and then nature sort of grew around it and, you know, invaded, and now it's like, how are we gonna make it a vibrant community? They're emphasizing the environment around them and putting a big focus on the landscape, which you don't see often. Everything was just like an exciting, collaborative effort, and that was so fun and refreshing to be part of, and it makes me excited for the future. To see a whole team of people be excited for a floral installation, to me, is really cool and really novel, and it makes me super happy. It's called the Discovery Centre because they want people to discover Lakeview here. So, you know, typically, yes, forestry is aesthetic, it's decor, and it comes last as like the showpiece, you know, in the event. But in this instance, the fact that it's in the Discovery Centre kind of gives it a whole new meaning, because it has to be embedded with a story and a purpose. So it's not just greenery hanging from the ceiling, but you know, it is going to tell that story of the nature that's around and the greenery and the landscape of Lakeview Village. And they're proud of the story of Lakeview, where, you know, they took this dilapidated site and they're turning it into a huge vibrant community.